There are so many people out there providing nutrition information to both consumers and also healthcare professionals who use the internet and blogs to get nutrition information. How is someone supposed to parse out what is sound and science-based and what's not?
So registered dietitians, RDs, or registered dietitian nutritionists, RDN, are credentialed nutrition experts. You can be sure that these are the folks who have spent years learning the nutrition information and science.
So looking for those credentials behind the author's name.
That's right. All of us have our own genetic makeup and our own nutrition needs, and I think that dietitians can really help work with people to be able to figure out what those are specific to each person.
One example that one size doesn't fit all is, of course, your own experience with finding out that you and your genetic makeup is intolerant to gluten.
That's right. I think that's a great example of how one size does not fit all. So if people are experiencing symptoms or they don't feel good after they eat specific foods, then I think it's really important that they go talk to their doctor or talk to a dietitian to figure out if maybe this is a food that they just don't need to be eating.
So there's limitations to how much information we can get online in terms of nutrition information. At some point you do have to take it into real life with a healthcare professional.
Absolutely. I think eating whole, real foods is a good across-the-board answer for everybody. But I think specifically if you're seeing that foods are causing you problems, then that's time to go talk to a medical professional.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.